So what do you want to do today?
I don't know.
No, it's mine! It's mine! No! That's it, Metaphor! You're on! Mine, it's not jam. Oh no. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Dang it. I'm gonna drop that. Whoa, that almost hit him. Sand. No, I'm out of the ammo. I'm out of ammo. Oh wait. Body's gone. That's weird. I don't care. I win. Time for some goldfish. Hey! Got any goldfish left for me? No. Hey, what a beautiful day to have goldfish. Let's taste this one. Why can't I eat my goldfish? Want more videos like this? Well, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.